Hello everybody, I'm back with another video. So in this JavaScript video, we will be doing a coding challenge. So I'll just show you the challenge first, and then you have to pause the video and do the challenge by yourself. And it's not necessary that you get it right in the first time. It also took me some 2-3 times to do this challenge, so don't worry if you don't get it right in the first time, and keep trying. And after trying for a long time, you can watch the solution. Don't watch the solution and then just copy and paste, and don't also just watch the solution and then just understand and write code. You will understand only for the time that you are seeing the video. After that, you will not understand anything. I suppose it will be like that, but it would be good if you would try by yourself. So let us get started. So today's challenge is that coding challenge 1. So there are two basically people. We have to get the BMI, that means body mass index, which is calculated using this formula. BMI is equal to mass divided by height into weight, and is equal to mass divided by height into height, mass in kg. So this is the coding challenge 1, and yeah, your task is to store Mark and John's mass and height in variables, calculate both their BMIs using the formula. You can even implement both versions. Create a boolean variable Mark higher BMI containing information about whether Mark has a higher BMI than John. Data 1: Mark weighs 78 kg and 1.69 meter tall. John weighs 92 kg and 1.95 meter tall. And then data 2: Mark weighs 95 kg and 1.88 meter tall. John weighs 85 kg, 1.76 meter tall. And you'll get this link in the description, so if you want you can access it by yourself also. So let us get started on working with our solution. So yeah, the first thing is that we need to, as it is written, you need to store the height and weight. Suppose we'll go with the first case. The first data we need. So go to your JS file. You can do it in the same JS file that you're doing, or you can create separate JS file for challenges. Yeah. So const mass Mark. So his weight is 78 kg, and const height Mark, or you can put it length also, 1.69. I'm not giving my own, you can see the data over here. It's 1.69, then 92. So const mass John. His mass is 92. Then just give a little space. Yeah. Const height John. Then you need to do it 1.95. Yeah. So this task is done, that they told it to store the Mark and John's mass and height in variables. So the first task is done. Now the second task is we need to calculate their BMI using this formula you can see over here. So for that we'll create another variable. So this video is all about variables. Yeah. So you can see that BMI Mark. So we need to apply that formula, mass Mark, and then divided by the height. You can see that mass divided by height into 2 times. So you can see divided by height Mark, then into 2, and then close this and give a little space. Same we are going to do for the BMI of John. BMI John. So yeah, mass John divided by the height of John also, and then into 2. Yeah, perfect. And then you need to console.log so that we see the result. Console.log BMI Mark, then BMI John. Okay, I just miss this I. Yeah, perfect. And you can see that I've changed the variable name, so it shows underline that the variable name is changed. Yeah, perfect. Now I'll just close this and let's go to our console and click on inspect. So I'm not doing anything on my own, just basically you have to just read this challenge and then understand the problem, and then you have to do it step by step. So don't worry if it takes you 1-2 days or it takes you how many days, just keep trying and you will succeed. So you can see that in the first situation mark is higher, so we need to make a variable const, oh sorry my caps lock is on, const mark is higher, and so then we need to make it BMI mark is greater than BMI John. Yeah, and console.log mark is higher, you can see that true, it shows true. So yeah, we can say that Mark's BMI is higher than John's BMI. You can see here it's 27.39 and over here it's 24.19. So it's true, or else you can write in a string also, like you can write it like a string marks, okay, yeah, mark BMI is higher than John, and we close it. Yeah, so you can write like this also, and if you want to just write true, you can just write true also. So I'm going to write like this. Now comes our second case. This was the first case, so just go up, I'll just go up and type first case. So for our second case, we need to do the second test data. So I'll just show you. Yeah, so the second test data, now you can see that this is the second test data. Mark is 95 kg and 1.88 meter tall. John is 85 kg, 1.76 meter tall. So we need to make it again. So this time, instead of using mass, we'll use weight. You can use mass too also, not a problem, but I would prefer weight here. His weight is 95 kg. Mark's weight is 95 kg. And his length is 1.88, and then weight John. Yeah, so we need to give the John's weight here as well. It's 85, and then const length John, and then you need to give it 1.76 as it is. Then you need to create two BMIs again, but now they're going to be BMI 2. BMI mark 2 is equal to the same thing, weight mark divided by the length mark into 2. Yeah, and then we need to do same for the John. BMI John 2. Yeah, so now we need to do a little bit of code change. Weight John divided by the length John, and then we need to do, you can see that For the second test data, you need to do this. So we'll do that over here. Weight John, length John, then we're going to do it into 2. Again, length John. So you need to basically put like this and remove this double, instead only 1. Yeah, like this. Then we log them to the console. BMI Mark and then BMI John 2. Yeah, we'll do them together. So you can see that one comes 26 and another comes 27. So here John's BMI is higher, so we need to again create that variable. John is higher. John is higher, then we need to check whether it's true or false. BMI John 2 is greater than BMI Mark 2. Then console.log John is higher, and then again you can do the same thing that we did over here. I'll just copy this, and here it will become John, here it will become Mark. Perfect. So you can see that John's BMI is higher than Mark in the second statement, and in the first statement Mark's BMI is higher than John. So that's it for today, and hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we're very close to 40 subscribers. Please subscribe. Bye bye.